Hi, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Zaid. I help give you tips, tricks, advice on how to get apprenticeships, how to get good jobs, how to do good in your uni course, and even do some side hustles and make some money. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's get into it. So I will be telling you how to take advantage of any situation, and provided that you do the right steps and you make an effort. And basically, in the simplest way I can put it, is that it all comes down to your network. And you'll hear this term a lot: your network, build your network, grow your network. And what do I mean by this? Well, the people around you are your network. Those who you are close to, those who are in your circle, those who influence you in any type of way, those who you can go to help and ask for advice from, that's your network. Now, if you've got a bad network around you, if you've got bad friends, if you've got a bad influence, your network is going to be crap, and that's not going to get you anywhere. So what do you want to do? Well, you're not going to be able to take advantage of any situation if your network cannot help you. And yes, you can go through not going through your network, if you understand. You can do something yourself, and it's possible, but it's very difficult. And why would you do that when you can take advantage by using the things at your disposal? And your network is one of the biggest things that can actually help you. If you know the right people, the right connections, they can get you into places which otherwise you wouldn't have been able to. And the larger your network, the stronger your connections, the more relationships that you have with all types of people. The bigger your network will be, the stronger your network will be, and the more of an advantage you'll be able to get from it, basically. And how, say, as a teenager or as a youngster, how would you go about going this? Well, look at what I've done. The first thing I've done after a long time is I've started to put myself out there. So I'm talking to you right now. This would be on YouTube and maybe other platforms. I'm building my personal brand, and that's important. You have to get your name out there. People won't know you unless you do something to be known, and you have to build a personal brand. And the best way, we've got it all in our time. We've got social media, we've got the internet, and everyone uses it just to waste time. But if you use it properly, it can bring so much value. Connections will open doors that you wouldn't even think of, and that's what we should try and build. We should try to use our personal brand, use our network, and get ahead in life. So a few things I've done. So I would have started this YouTube channel. I've started posting on social media more, especially LinkedIn. I've become a STEM ambassador, so that's helped get my name out there, helped me connect with like-minded people, and that's what I mean by network. It's not just random people. I'll interact with these people. We'll have common interests. We'll work towards the same goal. I'll work in events with these people. I'll organize presentations and all sorts. And that's how you build a relationship. You can't expect somebody to help you and not have helped them first, or not provide some sort of value to them first. That's something that you could do. So if you've got something, or you can help someone out in some way, do it. Be helpful. Don't expect something in return. Just build that relationship, build that connection. And in the future, they could help you, or if you need a favor, they wouldn't mind. I'm not saying you just use them. You help them. You nurture a relationship between them. You become the friend. You help each other, basically, and you make the most of that. So if you ever need it, you can go to them. They'll be more than happy to help you, and you can both use that to your advantage. So if you want, you can start posting more online, build your personal brand, join networks, join events, attend events, and put yourself out there. It's very difficult. I know. I'm an introvert, and doing stuff like this is all new. But once you build that confidence up, honestly, you can get anywhere. All you need is that confidence, whether you know what you're doing or not. That's basically the truth of it. Most people in life, if they're confident, they'll get what they want, and they'll go far. Whether they deserve it or not, that's a whole separate matter. But if they've got the confidence, then they'll get there, and that's how it is. So going back to having your network around you, if it's a good, strong network, people who are a good influence, people who have achieved things themselves, then that's brilliant. They'll really help you and make the most of it. And on the other side, if they are a bad influence, if they haven't accomplished anything themselves, if they waste their time, and all the negative aspects of what we see nowadays, don't keep those people around you. And sometimes it's difficult, but it's got to be done. If you want to level up, if you want to better yourself, that's in any aspect of life. We're not just talking about your career here. Just you as a person, your mindset, everything. The people around you will hold a huge impact, and they have to be good people. And that's basically it. So make sure you have a strong, good network around you, and use them to get an advantage of any situation. Hopefully that helps, and I'll see you next time.